Once upon a time, in the vast digital universe, there was a hero known as Deep Learning. This hero had the power to learn, predict, and even create, but it had one Achilles heel. It craved data, lots of data. But what happens when the hero's quest begins with barely any treasure to feed its hunger? Imagine trying to train a model to recognize a cat with just one picture. Impossible, right? Deep learning models are like that. They need a feast of examples to learn from. But what if the feast is just a snack? Here's where our story gets magical. Enter the first spell, transfer learning. Like borrowing wisdom from an elder, we use a pre-trained model, say one that's seen millions of images, and fine-tune it with our limited data. It's like teaching a multilingual scholar to speak one more language. They already know the basics. Next, self-supervised learning steps in. Picture this. Instead of needing labeled data, the model learns by playing games with itself. It predicts one part of an image from another, or guesses the next word in a text. It learns context and patterns, making the most of what little we have. Then there's semi-supervised learning, the art of making the most from mixed company. With just a dash of labeled data and a lot of unlabeled data, we teach the model to guess and check, expanding its knowledge like a detective piecing together clues. Active learning is like having a wise guide. It picks the most informative examples for human labeling, ensuring every bit of data counts. It's efficient, like choosing the right questions in an exam to maximize your score. For those with almost no data, few-shot or zero-shot learning comes to the rescue. Here, the model learns to generalize from just a few examples, or none at all, relying on its vast, pre-learned knowledge to make educated guesses. And let's not forget weakly supervised learning, where even weak, noisy labels can teach the model something valuable. It's like learning from whispers and rumors, yet still gaining wisdom. So when you're faced with the challenge of too little data, remember these modern wizards of machine learning. They transform scarcity into strength, making sure our digital hero can still shine bright, even with just a few stars in its sky. Train smart, not just hard, and watch your models grow beyond their data constraints. Liked this magical journey? Subscribe for more AI adventures. Which method intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments.